Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring prerequisites are set. Sign in to the same Samsung account on both phones and enable Find My Mobile. Once done, make sure location, Bluetooth, and mobile data are active on the device you want to locate. You should also confirm remote unlock and send location permissions in settings so the service can respond. You do this now because without those toggles, the following steps won't return a precise fix, and you'll waste time chasing errors later. You next open the Find My Mobile app or the Samsung web portal and select the target device from your account list. Once selected, tap Locate My Device and wait. GPS, Wi-Fi, and cell triangulation combine to give a position. If the device is offline, the app queues a locate request for when it reconnects. Use Ring or Emergency Mode to get attention, or Remote Unlock if you need immediate access and you have authorization to proceed. You finish by verifying the displayed location against the timestamp and signal icons. This tells you how fresh and accurate the fix is. If the position is missing or stale, check battery level, mobile data/Wi-Fi, location mode, and that the Samsung account remains signed in on the device. Make sure permissions like Send Last Location are enabled. If things go wrong, toggle location off and on, then request a new locate. That often forces a fresh GPS fix and clears transient issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.